Hey everybody, this is Ray, and we brought a couple of people in on the Subaru project. So, introduce yourselves.
Sydney Gwynn.
And I'm Keith Duplessis with PNS Detail Products.
So, one of the most important elements of detailing that somebody always kind of messes up, I'm one of them, is glass.
Yeah.
And so the boys left the glass for one of the last things. And I don't know if this glass has been cleaned since maybe the mid part of 2005.
Yeah.
And it's really in need. So we're gonna jump in, and Sydney's got a really cool method for glass cleaning, but it has a little legacy to it. So let's talk about that.
It does. So, a lot of detailers will just use the two-towel method, and that's a really common thing in the industry. So they have a damp towel and a dry towel. And we're using the FTW today, which is for the windows, and we're using a new applicator pad. So this is kind of the thing. Sydney is going to demonstrate, because she's been kind of using this lately and falling in love with it. And I got to be honest, guys, if you want to know somebody who's a little bit maniacal about making sure the windows look right, it's Sydney. I mean,
oh, did I do that? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But you know what? The guys, when they get out here and look at it, they're gonna realize it looks pretty dang good, because we're letting you do it.
Yeah.
Just saying.
So, in homage to Mark Spindler, hey, this one's for you, Mark. Mark was one of our original directors of training. Sydney's going to show us how to do it with something new also. What else you got there?
We are going to be using the TrueView RTU, which stands for Ready to Use. So TrueView has been around for years with PNS, and now we have made it available in RTU pints in the Double Black collection. So it is diluted to 4:1, which is a great dilution. It can also be gone up to 10:1, and there's a whole science behind that, summer, winter mix and all of that. So the most popular though is the 4:1, and so this is ready to go. Awesome, awesome glass cleaner.
Right, and you can get that in a gallon, but it's going to be concentrated, and you got to dilute it out. So, and if you're like most of us, you really don't use a lot of glass cleaner. So a gallon can equal a 5-gallon pail of glass cleaner. That takes a while to go through that.
Yeah, it's about 40-50 pints.
So, Sergeant Major, I think we go find the donuts up front.
I saw there's a Pepsi cabinet back there that's full too. We ought to check that out.
We're going to leave the glass cleaning to the pro.
Here you go.
Awesome.
You have fun and take care. We'll see you in a little bit.
Thank you.
See ya.
Thank you. All right, so this is going to be super fast and easy. So we are going to use the microfiber pad, and I'm just going to spray. So the first time when you first start a car, you kind of want to load it up a little bit, and then each window after that, you'll just use 1 or 2 sprays. So what I do is I start with kind of the X to get some of the product laid down in the middle of the glass, and then I do the box method. And what this is doing is this is going to grab all that grunge and grime, dog nose prints, kids' fingerprints, and it's going to get stuck in the applicator versus on the towel, so you're not going to keep spreading it around. Using this method, it leaves very little product left on the window, and then we're going to use the FTW just to polish it out and make it perfect. And it's so easy. It's going to be totally streak-free just because you're not overusing the product. Super fast and easy. And then one other thing that is worth mentioning, this glass, as you can see, is a frameless door. A lot of cars have that frame, so you'll want to, I always start with rolling down the window a little bit first before I do the whole window. And then the other great thing about these applicators is you can bend them right over that edge of the window to get that edge where there's all that grime from where it stops. So you can do that. This one obviously is easy to do because there's no frame, but and then you just wipe that edge off and it's perfect. Okay. All right, so as you can see, this back window is pretty hammered. It's got lots of water spots, fingerprints, things like that. So let's go ahead and knock this one out. I am just gonna put 2 more sprays on my applicator. right, guys, so that's how to use the RTU TrueView glass cleaner. The glass is looking great on the Subaru, but we need to give that final pop before the windows get tinted. So I am going to polish them all with the PNS Clarity Cream, and stay tuned for those after shots, and thanks for watching.